Namaskar, Pithoragarh. You're listening to your very own radio station, 88.4 FM Panchshul Pulse, हिल से दिल तक.
मैं हूं आपका आरजे मनीष
और मैं हूं स्टूडेंट आरजे ऑफ द मंथ प्राची. और हाँ, आपका आज के इस स्पेशल सेगमेंट में स्वागत करते हैं. दोस्तों, आज का दिन बहुत खास है क्योंकि और हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं.
We are privileged to have with us today Lieutenant General Anindya Sen Gupta, Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Uttam Yuddha Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Yuddha Seva Medal, General Officer Commanding in Chief Central Command and Colonel of the Punjab Regiment. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
So, sir, first of all, I would like to ask, how did the idea of establishing a community radio station originate, and what significance does it hold for the people of this region?
This idea of having a community radio station in the mountainous regions, especially in the border areas, is extremely important because it extends the reach of communication of the Indian Army, the nation, towards these regions, as well as gets the region inclusive in the development, what is happening in the nation. And it is an important aspect for these regions which are prone to a lot of natural calamities, possible disasters, and also border areas maybe in the zone of conflict at time, we hope not. And I'm sure Panchshul Pulse will be drawing an inspiration from the majestic Panchshul range and which shall resonate with the sentiments of our border communities, symbolizing their spirit, resilience and special identity. The tagline "Dil se dil tak" actually captures the essence of emotional and cultural connection that this initiative aims to nurture amongst the people of the Kumaon region.
I must say, sir, that's a very beautiful thought behind that. Also, sir, how do you see Panchshul Pulse contributing to the overall development and empowerment of border communities in the Kumaon region?
This is an initiative from our side for promoting inclusive development, keeping the special border community in mind, also giving everybody a platform to express their concerns while gaining reliable information, and also participate in the local governance and development by fostering dialogue between us, the administration and the residents of this special place. It enhances trust and will hopefully support all the grassroots development initiatives which are taking place in this area.
Wonderful, sir. Sir, tourism holds great potential in the Kumaon region. In what ways do you think will Panchshul Pulse support and promote tourism here?
I would partially agree with you.
Tourism is initiative or a development which is overt, which is seen by everybody. But a region develops because of a large number of other things. Maybe agriculture, industry, various other economic activities which take place. Tourism is just one part of it. True. But it is the most visible part, so we are talking about it. And it also generates a faster income. Right. But we are also privileged to be part of the development which is taking place in this region, and we feel that we can help tourism as well as the other developments taking place here by way of contributing to a lot of activities which take place in this region. For example, at Kalapani, we have made a tent-based homestay. We have handed over its running to the residents so that they get an experience and they develop other things along with it. On the same lines, we also disseminate tourism-related information. We will disseminate travel advisories, weather updates, status of routes, and most importantly, environment-related issues, so that all communities are aware that development has to relate to positive effect on the environment. Cannot be totally diverse from it. And lastly, we are also promoting adventure tourism along with some parts of religious tourism also, because the holy shrines near Adi Kailash, the Om Parvat, they all lie in this region. And we ensure that the tourists remain informed of the weather advisories, natural calamity advisories, the routes, etc. while they are going, as well as give them more information of how the region is developing and what's its rich heritage.
That's really commendable, sir. Also, sir, can Panchul Pulse be utilized as a reliable source of information for weather forecast and warning in a region where connectivity can often be a challenge?
This area is prone to landslides, snowstorms, and a whole lot of other natural calamities. And while it is difficult for us, for the small establishment, to forecast, but I'm sure we'll be able to relay the relevant information for safety of everybody, whether it be travelers or the communities residing.
Sir, we have the student RJ of the month with us, who is going to ask the next question to you. So over to you, Prachi.
Thank you very much. Sir, I just have one question, and that is, sir, will youth have a role in functioning of Panchul Pulse? And how can this radio station actually contribute towards nation building?
Youth is the only one who will have a role in raising this and making this Panchul Pulse initiative grow further. And it is only for the youth that this has been brought around, because you are the future. You will be actively involved as contributors, presenters and content creators. With this, while it is a medium of communication, we also want to develop it as an initiative which will bring about knowledge of new skill sets required in the modern world. Also give diverse voices and perspectives a platform which the youth so desire, and also give a lot of space for growth for the youth in various other domains which the formal education does not provide. I'm told that all girls of NCC battalion are touring the forward areas. This is an example that 20 girls visited this radio station, 20 more are visiting today. These 20 girls visited earlier, they have visited the forward areas. I believe some of them will be interviewed by you also. It's just a small glimpse of how the youth will be used to participate and make this radio initiative grow. And I'm sure this initiative will inspire the youth to look at new domains for growing, as well as help this radio station participate in a small aspect, in a small way towards nation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so very much. On behalf of our Panchul Pulse team and all our listeners, I extend our heartfelt thanks to you for joining us today and sharing such valuable insights. Your words will not only inform but also inspire our audience. We truly appreciate your time and contribution. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you, sir.